In today's video, we're going to create a DIY bird bath with solar fountain. These are the materials that we need. First, we need a tomato cage. I'm just using a simple tomato cage. If you want the colored ones, you can get something in red or blue or green or any color that is available. Next, you need a big bowl. In my case, I am using an old sled. This is a round sled that was given to me a long time ago. And my daughter has outgrown this sled, so I don't really need it anymore. I removed the rope from this end, and then I cut up an old inflatable swimming pool to use as a liner in my bird bath. I collected some rocks from my backyard, and these rocks will be placed inside the bowl to keep my solar fountain in place and also to make it look nice. I also have this solar submersible water fountain which comes with 4 different nozzles that I will put in the middle of my bird bath. The first thing that you need to do is to find a good spot for your solar fountain. A good spot is one that will get direct sunlight because the solar fountain will work better when it gets a direct sunlight. And then next, you will stick this tomato cage in the ground, and I already have this set up. Next step is to put the bowl on top of the tomato cage. You can weld the bowl to the tomato cage if it is a metal. But in my case, I'll just put it on top because the water and the rocks will provide some way to keep this in place. And I'm sure this is not going anywhere. The next thing that we're gonna do is to put some rocks inside the bowl to keep this swimming pool liner in place, and also to keep the solar fountain pump in place. I'm gonna make a circle in the middle, and this is where the pump will be placed. And then I'm just gonna put the rest of the rocks on the sides. I might have to collect some more rocks to make the look of this bird bath a lot better. Next step, we're going to prepare the solar fountain. I'm just gonna remove this plastic, and then I'm going to attach the nozzle. This one comes with 4 different nozzles, and I'm trying out this one. I have charged this under the sunlight. Now that the solar fountain is ready, I'm gonna position this in the middle of the bowl. This solar fountain comes with suction cups, but I have read that some of them don't work that good, so that's why I am putting some rocks around the fountain. Now we're going to add some water into the bowl. Wow, that's awesome. This water feature works better with direct sunlight, and as you can see in here, it looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a good day.